Hey, what's good YouTube world? Prash here, and today I'm super pumped to be doing the unboxing of the Motorola Razr V3. So this is the Razr that came out in 2004 and preceded the Razr V3i, which came out in 2005. I gotta say, I'm super excited to be doing this unboxing because, believe it or not, the Razr V3 was actually my very first phone, which was actually a hand-me-down from my sisters, and I really enjoyed playing the demo games on this phone, as well as taking forever to text my friends because again, you had that keypad which had like 3 letters for every key. But yeah, let's get straight into the unboxing. And right off the bat, you've got the Motorola name here, the M logo on this box, and yeah, again, it's packaged pretty nicely. I will say that this is a refurbished phone, so I'm not exactly sure if this is how the original packaging was when this phone actually came out 15 plus years ago. But yeah, I'm digging the packaging so far. Let's open it up. Alright, so the first thing you'll notice is the actual V3, and wow, I gotta say, this phone feels really light in the hand. But yeah, I gotta say, it looks pretty good for a refurbished phone. We'll set this aside and see what else we get in the box. So opening this up, alright, so you get your brick charger with what looks to be a micro USB cable, I believe. Oh man, I don't think I've seen one of these in a minute, but yeah, it's nice to know that 15 plus years ago, you actually did get a charging brick with your device. You also get your Motorola user manual, which no one really cares about, so I'll set that aside. And let's go take a look at the main attraction. Alright, so once again, the phone just feels so good in the hand, I'm not gonna lie. It just feels super light. Yeah, it's definitely a far cry from what we have today with all those heavy metal phones which are sandwiched in between a bunch of glass. But yeah, it feels good. But let me just go ahead and take off all of this plastic. I got a little bit more plastic on the back. I like that they've given instructions as to how to actually take the back cover off, which has this little button over here that allows you to take the back off to actually take out the battery. So that's a nice little touch that they've added here. Now that's so much better with the plastic off, and this is exactly how I remember it. In fact, the very phone that I actually got as a hand-me-down from my sisters was in fact a black Razr V3, so yeah, this is definitely bringing a lot of nostalgia and memories back. But yeah, let's open it up. And first of all, you'll see a little bit more plastic here covering the screen, so let's take that off. And I believe there's a little bit more plastic covering the actual keypad. I gotta say, this is actually not bad for a refurbished phone. As you can see, the keypad here isn't perfect. There is a little scratch running across the keypad here, which could be better. But again, what can you expect with a refurbished phone? And alright, I gotta say, this just feels so nostalgic. I mean, I gotta say, it's definitely such a satisfying experience to be able to open up this phone with one hand and then just flip it shut. It really does bring back a whole bunch of memories. Alright, let's boot it up. And if I remember correctly, I do believe that it was actually, in fact, the hanging up button you had to press to actually boot this phone up. So let's try that. Oh, it actually worked. Nice. Hello, Moto. Oh, this is really a throwback. And I've got to insert a SIM. Alright, I'm going to try and take the back off. So just pressing this button here. That comes off like that. Take out the battery. And I'm going to insert this dummy SIM and hope it works. Alright. Good thing we don't have to worry about with these devices is the boot up time, because it literally just takes a couple seconds. And there you go. Alright, so the SIM has seemed to work, but unfortunately The phone itself is actually in another language, which I think this might be Italian. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna try and attempt to change the language back to English. So yeah, let's try and see if we can go here. Obviously, this is something to do with calling, messaging, or yeah, okay. All right, this looks like settings. Let me go. Let me check this out. Nope. Let's go back. Let's try plus. Okay, let's try this. I think this means language. I'm not too sure. Let's see. Oh, okay, this is perfect. So this is okay, this was actually in Italian. All right. So thank you to high school for teaching me a little bit of Italian. I think I did pick up a little bit of Italian, but let's go and change it back to English, something I can understand. All right, so now that this is back in English, I just gotta say that this feels like such a throwback. I mean, you've got your games and apps here, office tools, phone book, recent calls. Oh man, this is crazy. Messages, web access. How interesting is that? Bluetooth link, multimedia. Let's just check out the games because let's be real. Java, of course. Yeah, this is definitely super wild. Please wait while it's loading up this high-powered, high-tech game. Oh, this is wild. Whoa, look at the graphics on that. That is wild. Oh, that's wild. Yeah, I gotta say, this is definitely the craziest thing I've done all day, is try to play some pool on a 19-year-old phone. Damn it, and I couldn't even get it in. Enough of the games, but yeah, I gotta say, this is such a wild throwback. Yeah, this is what it's actually like unboxing the Motorola Razr V3 in 2023. This is such a throwback. I'm so glad I picked one of these up. Stay tuned for my review, I guess, where I actually take a look at this phone in depth to see how this holds up in 2023. But yeah, this has been it for my unboxing of the Motorola Razr V3. This was such a throwback for me. I hope it was for you too. Yeah, the nostalgia of this thing is wild. But yeah, this has been it for my unboxing of the Razr V3. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Till then.